Hi, I'm Eric from PAC, here to talk to you about advanced amplifier integration. Many of today's vehicles have fancy radios with lots of features. They've got Bluetooth built in, backup cameras, and steering wheel controls. A lot of them even have amplified audio systems. But let's be honest, those systems are lacking. We want a little more power, we want better sound. But sometimes it's either difficult or expensive or time-consuming or all of the above to replace that factory radio. You need line-out converters and summing devices, and you have to cut wires and integrate. So what we've done at PAC is we've simplified the entire amplifier integration process. AmpPRO is a plug-and-play module, has a T-harness that goes between the factory radio and the factory amplifier, plugs right into our small module that can be easily hidden inside the dash, and it's going to give you 6 channels of analog audio output. They're not brand specific, they're just analog audio that you can connect to any brand of amplifier or amplifiers that you want to install into your vehicle to increase the sound quality. It does have 6 channels of output. The last 2 are your sub-channels. We include a bass knob to allow you to control those from anywhere in the vehicle. And it can be also upgraded with a fiber optic output. Our APA TOS1 snaps right inside the AmpPRO and gives you a digital output if you're connecting the amplifier with a fiber optic input. AmpPRO will provide you the connections required to easily install 1 or more aftermarket amplifiers in your vehicle. For a full list of applications and additional information, please visit our website.